Where's Mommy?
I'm here.
Can you say good morning, Mommy? Merry Christmas.
Good morning. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Do you want to see what's under the tree?
Bye.
Yeah,
Who's
what's
that?
Bye.
Who's that bike for?
Yeah.
Who's it for, do you think?
Yeah.
Is that Cormac's bike?
Yeah.
It's for you.
Is that Cormac's bike? Cool.
Yeah.
You can try it.
Yeah, we're just
Wanna look
taking
in
a
there?
picture of you.
Look, let's look at the bike.
Come on. You want to try? You want to take your bike off here? Why don't you put Little Bear on the couch? And we'll take the bow off your bike. Oh. Oh. Does Cormac want to sit on the bike? Do you want to sit? Oh. There you go. Oh. Cool. Cool. Is that Cormac's bike? Whoa! Hey!
Yay.
Your first fall. I think the seat's a bit too high for you, right? We'll put it down.
Daddy
a
will
bit.
change it.
There you go. Why don't you try that one on? What? Yay! Now you fell. That's okay. That's what happens on bikes. Put your foot over again.
Yeah, just like
It's
that.
okay. Oh, you want me to pull them up a bit? There you go. Try that again. Yeah.
Hmm.
Put your foot there. Come on. Try it again. Oh, ready?
It's okay. You can try sitting
try
on
it
it again. You're not.
Jack?
Yeah.
Jack could probably not even do this. You have to show him how.
Bye.
No, this
is Cormac's bike.
Oh, yeah, and Lily's bike. It's because we were looking at their bikes the other day.
Oh.
Well, that's a...
Bye.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That's a cool bike, Cormac.